What is the maximum possible distance between the point P minus 5, 0 and a point A on the circle x square plus y square equal to 4? So the first thing that we need to understand is that this is actually the equation of circle with center at origin, because with center at origin the equation of circle is represented as x square plus y square is equal to r square. And when we compare the given equation, which is x square plus y square equal to 4, with it, we understand that r square is equal to 4. That means the radius is 4 and the center of the circle is at 0, 0, that is origin. So the first thing that we are going to do in this question is we have to draw the diagram. So let me just quickly take some tools and draw the diagram here. We have a circle here. In fact, I should just simply draw the axis first and then a circle, and let's call it a circle with radius 2. Alright, so here I just need to write that it's a circle with radius 2, which means this point will be 2 comma 0, this point will be minus 2 comma 0, the point at the top will be 0 comma 2, and the point at the bottom will be 0 comma minus 2. The point at the center will be O, that we call 0 comma 0. Now we also know that P is a point minus 5 comma 0, which means minus 5 comma 0 is supposed to be a point somewhere. Let me once again draw a point here. Let's assume we have a point here which is minus 5 comma 0. In the correct figure it should be slightly to the left side of this point, but let's assume that minus 5 is right at this point here. Now knowing this fact, we have to draw a line which connects this point with the circle, and then we should know that this is line PA and A is the point on the circle. So the line will, again, let me quickly draw the line here. Here is what the line will look like. Now this point is point B, this point is point A, which is on the circle. Now the first basic property is that whenever we have a line that is a tangent to a circle, and when the point of tangency is joined with the center of the circle, then the angle that is drawn between these two lines is always 90 degrees. This is one property that we must be able to use at this place, at this time. And this distance we already know is 2 units because it's a radius, and we already have established that the radius is 2 units. The question is asking, what is the maximum possible distance? This is the maximum possible distance because this point will have different possible distances from this line. For example, if I were to draw more distances, I could also have drawn a line such as this, a line such as this, but these are all smaller distance. The largest distance of point P from any point on the circle will be the point P, the line PA, where point A is on the circle. Now P intersects the circle at just one point is confirmatory enough for us to understand that this PA is tangent to a circle, because only a tangent touches the circle at just one point. Now the question is, what is this distance? That means now we have to find out the length of PA. As we can see that PAO forms a right angle triangle in which one line, as we already know, is 2 units, and we also can identify one more thing, that is the distance of P from O is 5 units. That means we can say that PA square will be equal to PO square minus OA square using the Pythagoras theorem, right? Which means PA will be equal to square root of PO, that means 5 square, minus OA, that means 2 square, that is equal to square root of 25 minus 4, which is the square root of 21, and therefore the answer to the question becomes option D. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.